Using vinegar and baking soda to wash off the slime on raw salmon helps to clean and sanitize the fish by neutralizing bacteria and removing impurities, making it safer and more pleasant to handle and consume. Steamed salmon with skin and scales provides dogs with rich omega-3 fatty acids, aiding in healthy skin, coat, and joint function. Steaming salmon and then feeling for bones helps keep pets safe by preventing the risk of ingesting bones that could damage their digestive system. Don't waste that fish broth. It's rich in fish oil and perfect with vitamin-packed veggies. Any color bell pepper works, but remember to remove stems, seeds, and coarse parts dogs shouldn't eat. Steamed bell peppers mashed up for my picky dog. Steaming broccoli with salmon boosts health with omega-3 south and vitamins for dogs. At the end, I added white rice and fish broth cooked spinach, then mixed it all up with the bell peppers, broccoli, and salmon. Use my hands to blend it evenly. Cooking for your dog with fresh ingredients like salmon and veggies ensures they get more nutrients, no additives, and a diet tailored just for them, leading to better health and vitality.